All right, what's going on, traders? Welcome back to another trade breakdown. It's been a minute since we've done one of these, but we're back onto the breakdowns of every single time we take a trade on stream. So I'm here in Barcelona. If you're wondering why the background's different, that is why. There'll be plenty more videos coming whilst I'm here as well. But in today's video, I want to break down two trades that we've taken so far in the past 3 days that we've been back on stream. So start of the live stream is back again on Friday. Today is Tuesday, so took a very nice trade on Friday. Nothing yesterday on Monday, and then a very nice copper trade, which is different to gold. We took a very nice copper trade today here on our YouTube live stream every single day for absolutely free, 7 to 9 a.m. long time. I hope to see you guys there. If you are brand new, remember, drop a little like, subscribe. I do these videos every single week. And let's jump straight in. Let's have a look at the trade that we took on the Friday. Let's have a look at the trade that we took on Friday. Now, this was a very, very nice call. This trade was taken on Friday, the 27th of November for absolutely free on YouTube. You guys go back to my channel and watch that live stream, go to the live section, click on the date. You guys will be able to watch the full entire trade breakdown. But if you don't have the time, well, this is the reason that we're doing this. Coming into the session, what we were actually looking for on gold was some potential downside, but downside on gold to come down and liquidate these lows before a potential move back up. Now, we really did want these shorts here, and I was actually even considering shorts from here. However, we were kind of that close to these lows. We'd already ranged for quite some time, so there wasn't really much opportunity to do so. And then by the time this 5-minute opened, no top wick, and just ripped the lows. And we were like, a little bit annoying, but it is what it is. Now this could give us the opportunity where we can go back to our original bias of longs. So, I like to short into these levels. Anyone who was buying gold here, where's their stop loss going to be? Just below that low. Anyone look for that big jackpot play down? So I like to trade into the liquidity grab rather than waiting for the liquidity to be grabbed and then trying to trade out of that. If I can see that I can catch an opportunity of 40 plus ticks down into that, amazing. I want to look to take advantage of that. However, we didn't get the entry, that's fine. But then what I was saying to the guys on stream, here, if you can come down and re-grab these lows, and more importantly, break back to the upside, we could have some longs because we've got our liquidity grab here. We'll have our breakout with volume, and we also had some beautiful targets of gold to come up into here and to come back into here. And once we had broken out of this level, from here to here, 40 and then 50, that's some amazing volume. And then you can see, what do? We've come down and we've just grabbed the lows and held this support and actually closed bullish. Hindsight, maybe you could have argued, could you have started to take longs from there? It's like, yeah, you could have, but then you could have more likely bounced into here, rejected, and just kept pushing down. So I was pretty comfortable to wait for price to actually clear back above this level, show me that what I'm thinking is correct, and then I can be looking for the longs. Next 5-minute, boom, there, amazing, beautiful push. That was actually the close of the 15. Cool, there was the close of the 15. So 15 broke back above this level. You had so many 30 equal highs to come and grab as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Even if gold was gonna have a big push down, it's always gonna come up and grab them. So once we had that 15-minute fake out, there's our liquidity grab, there's our volume. If you guys haven't already, be sure to watch the video where I break down my 3 rules that I need for every single trade, because this has all of them. The liquidity grab, the breakout, the volume, fantastic. On the bottom wick of the next candle, that's where we were taking longs on gold to continue pushing up into these highs here. So sat into little to no drawdown, in this 1 5-minute candle. We pushed up with an instant. I'm wondering why it's not clicking. I'm drawing things all over the charts. Pushed up with an instant, 17 ticks, amazing. Now, I was also understanding that although I do believe these highs are gonna get grabbed, this was towards the close of the hourly, and the hourly could still give me a deep bottom wick before taking these highs. We then came up, we hit around 21 ticks. That's where I closed one contract, and then my second contract was below these lows here. And I will show you guys, for transparency purposes, these executions on my live futures account. So I've gone back to the futures for scalping. I'm gonna be using my Blueberry Markets account more so for trades on the 30-minute, hourly, and higher. So I closed about $751 US on this position. Australian dollars about $1,100 in a 10-minute trade, 2 contracts, absolutely fantastic. Now this must have been maybe some more trades, because there's this is a total of 3 trades. I did then end up taking some more trades after that, but 2 contracts, 20 ticks, about $400 US, close to around about 580 Australian dollars taken live on stream. Absolutely fantastic. Now I'll show you guys something very interesting, is the copper trade. Now, I'm not confident enough to take copper trades on my personal account just yet, but the more we test this, the more comfortable we're getting. So I actually took this trade on my Top Step X Combine just to get used to trading copper, because so far from what we've seen, we've created a channel in Discord where we're going to test it together. So far from what we've seen, it gives very, very nice opportunities. Now, the reason I traded copper today over gold is because it just gave more liquidity downside. I had more reasons to go short than I did on gold. And if we had taken the exact same setup on gold, gold would have actually hit us at break even. Whereas this copper trade, we managed to pull out a total of around 30 ticks. Again, reasons for this trade is literally exactly the same as that you guys have just seen me take on that gold one. A liquidity grab, we've come up, we've grabbed these highs. Anyone selling here on gold, stops are gonna be above that high. So you came up, you grab the highs. Do you start shorting above here for no reason? Of course not. Liquidity grabs only confirmed once you break back below. So what did we wait for? We waited for price to close with volume, which was actually the close of the 15. Once that 15 closed, we got the instant top wick. Now this trade was taken on Tuesday, the 1st of October. Go onto my channel, live section, you'll see the whole entire trade where I'm saying where I'm entering. And I gave these downside targets here, and I said when I was taking partials, everything like that as well. And in that 1 5-minute candle, we pushed down 28 ticks on copper. Now, copper sizing is a little bit different. It's 1250 per tick per contract. So at a 30 tick move, just trading one contract, $375, whereas gold is only 10. So all in all, out of that trade, I closed one contract, $250, and then I closed my second contract, $312. So two fantastic trades back on live streams. I hope to see you guys there. I'll be live again every single day this week, every single day for the rest of the entire future. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.